Flower Tribe. It's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and I'm here to tell you something that you should not forget to do in your fall gardens. So if we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranberry Fields Flower Farm here in Cranberry, New Jersey, and I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so you know whenever I post another fun, free flower tip video. So let's dive right in. So here it is. It is the second week of November right now, and temperatures in New Jersey are around 75 and 76 degrees Fahrenheit, which is super unusual for us. Usually it's like in the 40s or 50s at this time of year, but we've had like 3 or 4 days that were in the high 70s. And so what I'm doing is I'm coming out to my garden and I'm watering. So a lot of times in fall, by the time that November rolls around, temperatures are so cold that I don't worry too much about my plants because I know that the sun hasn't been beating on them and that water hasn't been evaporating and they're pretty safe. But I have to say, with temperatures almost hitting 80 for the past week or two, I need to get out here and I need to really do some deep root watering. Otherwise, these plants are going to go into this winter dormant season being really unhappy, being super stressed, and being dehydrated, and that's not a good thing. So the first thing I did was I came out to my garden and I took a look at the hose that I used to use. And I don't know if you're like me, but a lot of times I lug my hoses around my garden, and it's a huge chore. So a lot of times I lift these up. A lot of them are super heavy, especially this time of year because I had already put most of my hoses away in the garage. So I come out here and I'm lugging them over my shoulder, and it's a real pain. A lot of times Sheldon will come out here and help me. I have to say though, I got really lucky because the fine folks over at Giraffe Tools just sent me over this terrific hose that's retractable, and it's not heavy and it's not bulky, and I absolutely love it. So we're going to check it out real quick. I have it over here. Sheldon and I put it on one of these wooden posts that we have in the back garden, and it looks like this. And I want to show you how this works. So it's got this really handy handle here that has all different settings. So you can do a mist or a flat spray or a center spray, angle, a whole bunch of them, and then you basically just put it on, and you can keep changing them to all different settings. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this retracts, and this is super cool. So this comes out of this over here. It unwinds super easy. And then when I want to go back, it also retracts super easy. Super, super simple, not much effort involved in all in getting this to come out and go back in. And I want to show you how I'm going to go about watering some of my hydrangeas at this time of year. So I'm going to water at the base of the plant. I want to make sure that I don't do an overhead watering because these leaves already have enough brown spots, and a lot of times those brown spots are caused by having moisture on the leaves when the plants go into cooler temperatures at night. So they've already got enough of them going on there. So I'm just going to water at the base of the plant, and I'm going to use a setting that's more kind of like streamlined to get those roots really soaked. I'm actually going to move some of these leaves away too before I do the deep watering. I've got some nice mulch down there that's going to keep that moisture trapped in. So guys, what I'm going to do is go around the entire plant, give it that deep root watering, and I'm going to do that with a lot of my plants out here. I'm especially going to do that with the plants that are newly planted that I just put in the ground a few weeks ago, because fall is my favorite time of year to plant. So I'm also going to show you how I deep root water some of these newer plants that we put in. This hose will extend about 100 feet, which is a really, really beautiful length. Okay guys, so that's it. So don't forget to keep up with the watering, especially when temperatures are warm out in fall. And I will put a link in descriptions to this Giraffe hose in case you're interested. I really enjoy it. I think it's a terrific tool for your garden. So guys, if temperatures are actually cool by you already, then you probably don't have to worry about this fall watering. Or if you're going to get a lot of rainfall, if you're going to get a few inches, then you can kind of skip this step. But if the conditions look like they are here in New Jersey by you, where it's like just super, super hot and there's no rain in sight, night, then it's a really good idea to go out and give your garden a deep root watering. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tip. Please let me know in comments below if there's any other garden tips that you want me to cover. A lot of you have been asking a boatload of hydrangea questions these days, and I love that. And so I will link my hydrangea playlist at the end of this video, and we've got a load of quick tips for you, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and please feel free to hop on over to my Cranberry Fields Instagram page and take a look at my Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group, because there's thousands of gardeners from all over the world, and they're asking and answering loads of garden questions over there. And please let me know where you're viewing this from in this great big beautiful world. I love to see our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week, and I will see you in the next video. Tools. Oh, that was Lucy sneezing. You okay over there? Yeah, okay. Wow, that was quite the blooper.